The seized items include, but are not limited to: 1. 389 bales of second-hand clothing, 108 sack of used bags, 6,500 liters of PMS intercepted at various patrol bases along borderline in Bokoro, Axis. The total duty pay value for the above seizures put together at 1,219,299,369 naira. Newly Toyota Land Cruiser Jeep VX 2025 model. 2. Newly Lexus Jeep LX 600 2025 model. All intercepted together around Bodisadu area of Kwara State. And both vehicles are under detention for further investigation and action.